welcome back to my channel. This is a video from the series Crochet for Absolute Beginners. We'll be learning how to make a foundation chain today. You mostly start any crochet project with a foundation chain. For this, you'll need a yarn of your choice and a hook. I'm using 100% cotton yarn and a 3mm hook in this video. To begin with, you'll first need to make a slip knot. If you don't know how to make a slip knot, I have a separate video for the same. I'll mention its link in the description box below. So once your slip knot is done, you have to yarn over the hook and pull it through the loop. Yarn over, pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. Yarn over and pull it through the loop. You need to continue doing this till you reach the desired length of your chain. While making the chain, see to it that your chain is neither too tight nor too loose. If your chain is too tight, your project might end up looking too rigid. And if it's too loose, your project might end up looking too droopy. Once done, your chain should somewhat look like this. Thanks for watching. If you like this video, please give it a thumbs up and do subscribe to my channel for more such videos. Happy crocheting!